Hi, this is Mudita Wood Creation. Today we will make a very simple jig to make a round table or make other circle using the hand router. First, we need piece of wood as a handle or a guide for the router. We mark where we put the screw, and then we drill as the hole for the screw. Make sure the drill size in line with the size of the screw to easier installment of the screw later on, like this. And then we put back the router handle. We start to tie up the screw using the screwdriver to ensure the strong handle of the router later on. We start to measure the size of the circle that we need later on, and then we drill it to put the screw later on, so we can screw later on the board or the other material that we will mark as a circle. We start to using our simple jig. It's very simple, easy to make, and also very easy to use. You don't need to spend a lot of money, just need a piece of wood and around 15-minute time to make this simple jig. Okay, we're done. We take out the middle screw and we can see the result. As you see, we have a perfect circle. Thank you for watching this short video, and if you think this you learned something from this video, please consider to subscribe, and if you think that we need to add some additional, please put on the comment. Thank you.